Alright, now let's look into arithmetic operations in Python. Now, Python supports basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponents. These are basic things we know in mathematics: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus and exponent in Python. Now let's take a look at how to work with this. This is an example. It says a variable has a value of 10, another variable b has a value of 5. We are now to print a plus b, right? It gives an output of what? 5. Also, we can do this for this, so let's even start running the code like we should. Alright, now this is a variable, right? A variable a has a value of 10, variable b has a value of 5. Now we now have a print function that says to print a plus b. So let's start with that. Let's take out the now this is a typical example of comments, right? Describes the code. Now let's run this code and see what it gives us. So the first is 15 and the second is 2.0. Let's see. So it says print a plus b, that's a is 10 and b is 5, so it gives us 15. Then we also have a, of course, divided by b, which is 10 divided by 5, which gives us 2. Now this is a float answer and this is an integer. I hope you can still remember that. So this is a float, this is an integer. So of course we can as well go with this. So whereby we are going to have a, which is 5, which is 10, then b, which is 5. This asterisk sign means multiplication. So of course this is going to give us not 15, but we're going to have 10 times 5 to be 50. Now let's run that if that is correct. So we have 50 now, right? So this is now 50. So of course you can explore more arithmetic operations in Python. We can use modulus, we can use exponents. Let's check out modulus and exponents. So for modulus we can use this, then we can as well use this. Now let's run this. Sorry, let's take out the comments. Of course I know you understand comments by now. You should be able to spot comments in your Python code by now. So let's run this and let's see what it gives us. So a, then when you have 2 asterisks, what does that mean? 2 asterisks is known for exponents, right? So let's go back there. So we're going to exponent this then for this as well. So let's run it. So of course we have 10,000. So that means we are saying that sorry, did I just say 10,000? That was 100,000. So we are typically saying 10 raised to the power of like 5, right? 10 raised to the power of 5 to give us 100,000. Then this is also no, sorry, let's do b a. So let's run that. So now we have 5 for the other one. So we now have 5, right? 5. All right, thank you.